What customer service skills are essential for a pop-up drink stand? The essential skills are friendliness, speed, clear communication, and handling complaints calmly because customers at a stand are often in a hurry and judge you fast on how you make them feel. Think about it like this. A pop-up drink stand is a tiny stage and every person walking up is watching how you act for maybe 10 to 15 seconds before they decide if they like you or not. That means your smile and your greeting matter just as much as the drink itself. Speed matters too because most people are walking by on their way somewhere else, so you want to take the order, make it, and hand it over without wasted movement. Something a lot of people do not realize is that repeating the order back to the customer, like saying their drink choice out loud again, actually builds trust and cuts down on mistakes by a lot. Another hidden trick is using the customer's name if they pay by card, since hearing your own name said out loud makes people feel special and more likely to come back. Clear communication also means telling people up front if something will take a few extra minutes because silence makes people impatient. But a heads up makes them patient. One common mistake is rushing so much that you forget to actually look at the customer, which makes the interaction feel cold. So try to make eye contact for just a second even while you are moving fast. Another mistake is not having a plan for when a customer is upset about their drink. So instead of arguing, just calmly offer to remake it or refund it, since staying calm almost always cools the person down. A third thing to watch for is line management, because if people do not know where the line starts or ends, they get frustrated, so a simple sign or verbal direction fixes that instantly. If you enjoyed this video, check out our online directories in the description below.